V, A, and again I, V, A, and again I, V, A, and again Ivan the Inspector!
Hi friends, Ivan the Inspector here, and today we're going to be inspecting homemade ice cream. Won't you come along and learn with me? That's great, let's go. I am so excited for this. I love ice cream, and you know what I love even more? Homemade ice cream. We're gonna make it together. It's gonna be so much fun. So we're gonna start off with this. We've got a recipe. This has been passed down for generations. No, I'm just kidding. I just wrote all this down. But we've got all of our ingredients. We've got some measurements. So we got to put a certain amount in. We're going to mix it together. It's going to be awesome. You ready to go? All right. So we've got a bunch of different things here. Let's check all of this out. So over here we have all of our ingredients, right? We'll go through each of these as we're pouring it into the mixer. And then here we go. The most special thing in this entire setup. This is an ice cream maker. Look at it. And we can pick up this. This is where we're gonna put everything and it's gonna make ice cream. And it's so cold. I just took this out of the freezer. Isn't that awesome? So it's very, very cold. That's gonna help us out. We've got some more stuff for the ice cream maker. We've got a little bowl and then we've got a big bowl. I always love the sound of those bowls. So exciting. All right, I think we're ready to start putting some stuff together. So we're gonna consult our recipe. We need 1 1/2 cups of whole raw milk. Look at that. You know what I love about these? It's got a picture of a cow. Did you know that milk comes from cows? At least most of the time. All right, so we've got whole milk. We'll put it in to there. Wait a second, there was another step involved in this, I think. Oh, that's right. We have to measure the milk and pour it in. Silly Ivan, what are we doing? All right, so here we go. We've got a measuring cup. And look on here, you can see it says 1/2 cup or 125 milliliters, but we don't count like that because we're not crazy. So 1/2 cup, we're gonna do 3 of these and pour them in. Are you ready for this? So as we're pouring, we gotta pour it slowly. Gotta fill it all the way up to the top. Whoop! Dump it in. There was 1, can you count along with me? Here we go. This is our second one. And 2. All right, last one, boys and girls, here we go. And 3. Oh, awesome. Okay, got our first ingredient. Let's put the cap back on the top. Then we hop back over here. We now need 2 cups of raw cream. All right, so we've got right here, look at this, heavy whipping cream. Look what's on there. It's a strawberry. Do you like strawberries? I love strawberries, they're so tasty. All right, now we have our next measuring cup here. It says 1 cup, and we need 2 of these. Look at that. I love it when we do some baking and the counting is easy. So, look at this. There's no heavy whipping cream coming out of there because there's this little cap on the lid. Put it down and pull it out. Oh, I spilled all over myself. And look at this, I've got a nice little ring. You could wear that around the house. It'd be so much fun. All right, here we go. Pour our heavy whipping cream into here. Wow, look how thick it is. It is definitely heavy whipping cream. That is no light whipping cream in here. No, no, no. We are doing the heavy whipping cream. That's looking good. You know what? It's kind of starting to look like the color of ice cream. But look at that, it's all still liquid. I think we're gonna have to add some more stuff to it. What do you think? All right, let's wipe that off. Okay, here we go. My favorite step, boys and girls. We have 6 large egg yolks. What is an egg yolk, you might be asking? Well, I'm gonna show you. First off, look at all of these eggs. We got them from the chickens, and look at that. They're all different colors. What colors do you think we have here? So first off, we got, that's an easy one. It's white. Yep, very, very good. Now look at this. This is a very interesting color. It's kind of green, kind of blue-ish. I think it's probably sage or sage if you're really fancy. And then here we've got another one. It's like maybe kind of bluish. You could go with a sea foam, very fancy. And then here we've got maybe a tan. And then that's an easier one. What do you think that is? Brown, I think that's brown, very good. Lots of very, very fancy and exciting colors. So we need 6 of these, and they need to be egg yolks. So we are gonna use this really silly thing. Look at this. Can you all make that face with me? Oh, it's so silly. All right, we're gonna use this to separate the egg yolks and the egg whites in this little green bowl. So here we go. This is gonna be a little challenging, but I think that we can figure this out. So we're gonna start with our brown egg, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna break it, put it in this little guy with the face, and then we're gonna dump out some of it and see if we can get just the egg yolk. Ready for this? Look at that! It's like coming out of his mouth. Oh, yep, there we go. Oh, that's so silly. All right, ready? Can you look in here now? And look in there. Oh, do you see that little yellow part? That's called the yolk of the egg, and that's the part that we want. So we're gonna come over here, and then we're gonna dump it in. Blop. Oh, that was so much fun. All right, we need to do that 5 more times because we need a total of 6 eggs. So here we go. Here is egg number 2. Whoop! Oh, I spilled a little bit on the counter. Whoopsies. Blub, 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 blub. Zoop-a-doop-a-doo. It looks so silly. It's like coming out of his mouth. Isn't that so silly? He looks kind of happy. He's kind of the corners of his mouth going up. Happy, happy, happy. Do, 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 do. All right, here we go. And then we'll dump in this one and plop. All right, here we go. I'm gonna grab some paper towels. Let's try and do this. Yes, gotta make Mrs. Inspector happy. Gotta keep things clean. You know, sometimes you make messes. You know, maybe when you're eating, or if you're like me right now baking, and it's okay to make messes, but you gotta say I'm sorry and ask how you can help. And if you can just clean it up yourself, then that makes things so much better. All right, here we go. How many have we done so far? We did 1, 2, what's after 2? That's right, it's 3. Here we go, 3rd egg, 3rd brown egg. We'll pop that in there, zoop, and loop, 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 loop. I just can't get over how silly this looks with that guy's little mouth. That's so silly. Kind of maybe dump that over. Oh, yep, there we go. Over like that, over like that. I'll shake it a little bit. Bloop, 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 bloop. All right, and then whoop, and dump. There we go. All right, we got 3 more, kiddos. We'll go with the tan ones. Whoop. Whoop, and zoop. There we go, there we go. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. Oh, you see the yolk? It's like kind of trying to come out. That's so silly. All right, we'll kind of shake it like that. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. There we go. Oh, there we go. All right, 2 more, boys and girls. Here we go. Let's break the egg like such. Oh, making such a mess, but sometimes that's the best part of baking something, is making a little mess. We just gotta make sure we clean it up afterwards. Here we go. And there we go. Okay, that's looking good. Yep, and dump. There we go. And last one. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Feeling good about the eggs. Kind of try and tilt it back a little bit. There we go, we're learning. Look at that. Okay, whoop. And dump. Look at that, that's so silly. Oh, it's such a silly egg white. All right, here we go. Why do you call it white if it's not white? I don't know. All right, let's finish dumping this, dumping this. Dump, 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 dump. All right, here we go. Feeling good, and let's dump it in. Perfect. All right, we're gonna move this and clean this up. What a mess we made with that. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick, because you gotta be careful with raw eggs. Get some soap, inside, outside, in between. Rub it all together with some soap and lather. Now we're clean, now we're clean. So much better, okay. Let's dry our hands off. Okay, let's look in here. So far we have milk, we have the heavy whipped cream, and we've got some egg yolks all the way in there. We've got a couple more things that we gotta add, and then we get to mix it together. So let's look over here. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Oh, do you like vanilla ice cream? Because that's what we're making today. One of my favorite flavors. It tastes so good. So this is a little smaller, so we gotta be very careful. Dump that. Whoa, a little too much, but that's okay. A little extra vanilla is good. It's good flavor. All right, we got that. And then we have one more thing that we need, and it is syrup. Do you like syrup? What's something that you eat syrup with? Maybe pancakes. Do you like pancakes? I love pancakes. They are so, so good. So we need a half cup of syrup. Here we go, here we go. Oh, perfect. Here we go. Let's dump it in. Oh, that's some good, pure maple syrup. So good. All right, let's move that over. Let's move that over. Oh, and I forgot one more thing. Look, these are from the eggs. Isn't that cool? We call them egg whites. Now we got a dun 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 dun. No, I'm just kidding. We're not gonna. We'll set those aside. All right, we've got all of our ingredients. Everything is in the right spot, and we're gonna use this. Do you know what this is called? It's a whisk. Very whisky business. We're gonna use this and we're gonna stir. Oh, look at that. You see the eggs? The eggs are still in there. So we're gonna break up those eggs. And we're gonna mix it together. Mix, mix, mix. Ooh, look at that. The color's kind of changing. Everything's blending together. It's a little bit kind of yellow looking. Spin, 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 spin. Look at that. The color is changing quite a bit. It's looking a little bit more yellow than it was before. Before it was a little bit more white, but we are gonna spin all that together. All right, the instructions say blend until it's all blended together, and that looks pretty blended together. I don't see any eggs. I don't see any syrup. I don't see any milk. It looks like just one big giant thing ready to make some ice cream. All right, so, whoa! Here's what we gotta do now. We're gonna take some of these parts. Look at this. This is all part of the ice cream maker. So this is gonna actually help us stir it all together. So we're gonna place that in there. We're gonna place this top part on. Gotta do it very carefully. Lock it in place. And let's make sure this thing works. Ready? We're gonna turn it on. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. Do you see the tag going around? That means it's spinning, which means, boys and girls, that it's ready for us to pour the ice cream into it, okay? Here's what we're gonna do. Let's move this to the front. I'm gonna get rid of our whisk. We'll clean that later. And we're gonna go very, very slowly and make sure that we can get all of the ice cream in here because we don't wanna lose any ice cream. Whoa, look at that. So this thing, boys and girls, is gonna take all of this liquid and it's gonna turn it into a solid. It's gonna turn it into ice cream. Oh, look at that. So if you look under there, you can see that this whole thing's spinning. It's gonna mix it all together and somehow it's gonna make it into ice cream, which is super cool. Now, we have to wait for about 20 minutes. This thing's gonna mix it all together and make it into ice cream. What should we do for 20 minutes? Let's see, we could sit here and look at my watch. Nope, that's not gonna be a ton of fun. Hey, I have an idea. While we're waiting for this, do you think that you could get up and take a dance break with me? Come on, let's go. Guess what? We've got some ice cream. Look at it. It looks so good. All right, we gotta scoop some ice cream out. We're gonna put it into a bowl. Look at that bowl. It's got a little flour in it. It looks so nice. Look at that. Looks like the perfect consistency. Oh boy, oh boy. All right, now we can't just have ice cream. No, 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 no. We need to have some other fun stuff. So we've got, look at this, some delicious homemade whipped cream. Oh, yep, we'll get that on top just like that. That's looking perfect. And I think we need some chocolate syrup. Can't have ice cream without a little bit of chocolate syrup. Put that on. Oh, yep, there we go. Just a little bit of chocolate. And then we've got some Sprinkles! This is so fun. Did you know some people in different areas of the United States call these jimmies? That's so silly. We're not doing that today. We'll just call them sprinkles. Put them down like that. Perfect. And then I think that we also need some chocolate chips. All of the toppings. You know, I've always thought that ice cream was more about the toppings than the ice cream itself. Oh boy, now for the best part. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Now for the moment of truth. All of our hard work, will it pay off with a delicious bite of ice cream or will it be a failure? Oh, that is such good ice cream. Look at that. Can you believe that we made that all by ourselves? Let's take one more bite here. Gotta get some chocolate chips. Oh, that tastes so good. Wow, I can't believe we made ice cream all by ourselves. Thank you so much for coming along and learning about making homemade ice cream with me today. If you'd like to check out more of my episodes, type in Ivan the Inspector. Bye.
I-V-A, and again, I-V-A, and again, I-V-A, and again, Ivan the Inspector.